Do you often suffer from cold, sneezing, and cough? Wake up with a stuffy nose, sore throat, and feel tired all day? Then listen up. Here's a powerful home remedy that works in just 3 days, no medicine needed. Every morning on an empty stomach, take 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, add a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of honey. This magical mix acts like a natural antibiotic. Ginger clears throat congestion, turmeric reduces inflammation, black pepper helps loosen mucus, and honey soothes the throat. Take it daily for 3 days. Your nose will open up, cough will vanish, and cold will be gone in no time. Try this simple Desi home remedy and breathe not the cold air, but fresh, healthy air. Subscribe and follow me for more healthy tips like this.